I'm going to be changing the transmission fluid in an NSG 370. That's the 6-speed manual. It's in 05 and 06 TJs and NJKs. So there's a drain plug right here. This is a 17 millimeter hex bit that you need, and then the fill plug right here, which is 14 millimeter. So you kind of got to buy these two special big ones. So I'm using Redline MT-90. Also include in the description the part number for the MOPAR fluid. And so basically you're just going to drain it, pour it into a catch can, and then put some fill it back up, and the only thing you're going to need is a bottle pump right here. So that's going to screw onto the lid of that, and then we can pump the new fluid in. It takes 1.58 quarts, but in my experience closer to 2. And I'm doing this because I think I might have got water in my transmission when I went in deep water. So that was why I just also made the video about relocating the vents. But yeah, it should be pretty easy. And reinstalling the transmission drain plugs, if you want to get really technical and use a torque wrench, they're to 22 foot-pounds. Setup I have where I'm pumping the fluid in, so you can see it's this pretty easy bottle pump you can buy for probably like $2 at AutoZone.